Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix 434 bit error issue on your Binance application. I'll be showing you different method on how you can fix it. Make sure to watch this video till the end. In case if this kind of error occurs on your Binance application, then the first thing what you need to do is you can simply clear your cache as well as data, and after that re-log in into your Binance account and you might be able to fix it. So after that, the second method what you can do is you can check your internet service. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can even switch from Wi-Fi to your SIM card network or from SIM card network to your Wi-Fi. In case you have ad blocker application on your device or it is currently turned on, then you need to turn it off or you need to disable it, and that might also cause one of the reasons for this kind of error. In case you have a VPN connected to your device, then you need to either turn it off or you need to turn it on. So that depends on your device, and one of the main reasons might be that you have not verified your account. So make sure to verify your account and make sure that you have provided a correct information. If none of this method are working, then what you can do is you can simply restart your device and then reinstall your Binance application, and after that might be able to fix it. So those are the few methods on how you can fix Binance 434 bit error issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.